Hi students, welcome back to our mathematics class. In the last class, we discussed about joining angles. Today, we shall learn linear pair angles. Let's do the textual activity. Draw a line and measure 90 degree at one end. Then join the points. Now we got angle 90 degrees. Now extend the horizontal line a bit to the left. Now there is another angle on the left side of the vertical line. What is its measure? Yes, it is 90 degrees. Okay. That is, perpendicular means straight up, not leaning to the left or right. Then name the angle as ABC and ACD. That is, angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees and angle BCA is also 90 degrees. Next, we have to consider an example. Angle BCA is equal to 90 degrees and angle ECD equal to 60 degrees. We have to find angle ACE. We know that angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees. So, angle ACE is obtained by subtracting angle ECD from angle ACD. That is, angle ACE is equal to angle ACD minus angle ECD. Okay, which is 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So, angle ACE is equal to 30 degrees. Next, we have to do one more example. In the figure, angle QRT is equal to 120 degrees and angle QRP is equal to 90 degrees. We have to find angle TRS. We know that angle PRT is equal to angle QRT minus angle QRP. Okay, QRT minus angle QRP, which is 120 degree minus 90 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. Then angle TRS is equal to 90 degrees minus angle PRT, which is equal to 90 minus 30 degrees. 90 minus 30, 60 degrees. Okay. Next we have to learn meeting lines. Students, see these pictures. All of them show two lines meeting and each has two angles, one on the left and one on the right. In the first picture, both angles are 90 degrees. Second, the angle on the right is less than 90 degrees and the angle on the left is greater than 90 degrees. In the third picture, it is the other way of round. In the second and third picture, the angle on one side is that much more than 90 degrees as the angle on the other side is less than 90 degrees. So, the sum of the angles on either side is 90 plus 90, which is equal to 180 degrees. Thus, we can write this as a general principle. When two lines meet at a point, the sum of the angles on either side is 180 degrees. The two such angles made by the two lines meeting is called a linear pair. That is, two angles made when two lines meet is called a linear pair. For example, PS and QR. P, two lines meet at a point Q. Then two angles formed, angle PQR and angle RQS. Okay. Then angle PQR plus angle RQS is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So, we can state this principle as the sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. Okay? Is it clear, children? Yes. For example, in the figure, angle LMN is equal to 20 degrees. Then we have to find angle LNP. Here, two lines MP and LN meeting at the point N. Then the sum of the angles, angle LMN plus angle LNP equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Then angle LNP is equal to 180 degrees minus 20 degrees, which is equal to 160 degrees. Here we learn sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. Here is an activity for you. Students, do the exercise questions from the textbook page number 141. That's all for today. Thank you.